This is a server simulation air cooling load bank. Its main features are low temperature rise and high precision adjustment. After the device is turned on, the interface displays the main page operation information. It has state page, temperature curve page, limit setting page, and communication setting page. All of them have English pages. Back to the main page. You can directly enter the airflow volume, and the power is infinitely linearly adjustable. You can also press the plus and minus to adjust. You can see that when the power is fully loaded, the temperature difference between the outlet and the inlet is less than 15 degrees centigrade. At the same time, the temperature can be monitored through the real-time curve page. The communication interface is an Ethernet interface, and the protocol is Modbus TCP. The sample has passed the verification, and now the bulb are in mass production.